Hiya, back with another video. Still doing my January monthlies, and so far, or in my last video, it was my calendar, my to-do list, my spend tracker, and my meal planner. So more of my planning pages really. So this video is more focused on what I call my well-being pages. So it's my daily gratitude, my habit tracker, and my sleep tracker. So this is my gratitude page, and it's a small box for each day where I write 1 or 2 words to capture something positive from the day. And going in with, I do like this Tombow, I think it's called Blush. Really nice. It's like a dusky pink, which is really nice. So as I say, just a couple of lines for each day to capture the good of the day. And I think now more than ever, it's really good to focus on gratitude, and even if it's something small in the day. It's like today, it's been really cold in the UK, but we had a glorious sunny day today. So it's, the sunshine would have been the word for today. And on to my habit tracker. And please, if anyone can advise on how to do this any quicker, I'm all ears. I do prefer these boxes for my habit tracker, but they do take some time to prepare. And I think habit tracking for me has kept me on track over the lockdown periods. The UK is particularly bad at the moment, and I think staying focused on, for me, colouring in one of these boxes is an achievement of the day. It's something that you've done. So again, it's a positive thing, isn't it? And I think anything positive in our lives at the moment is a good thing. This is the bit that drives me nuts, is putting all the numbers in. Days of the week. I often forget to put those in on my habit tracker. Strange, I know, but remembered this time. Just putting a title in for each of the things that I track. And going in with the pink again. And then, as usual for me, just finishing the page with a bit of washi tape. And finally for this video, the sleep tracker. And I just do it's a line graph. So I have the days of the month along the bottom, and then I have between 5.5 and 8 hours on the left hand side, and I have that in 10-minute intervals. And I think it just helps me over the months. I can see if there's any patterns. Is there any times of the month that I'm sleeping better than others, I've used this tracker for quite a while, and it's one that I keep in. As I say, 10-minute intervals on the side there. So my next video is going to be, it's a new page, it's one that I've created myself, it's a health tracker, and so be sure to catch that one. And again, it's just staying in tune. I think now, you know, we need to stay healthy and mindful of how we're doing, you know, just keeping in touch with ourselves. So be sure to keep an eye out for that one. Again, just finishing off with that washi tape in the bottom. So I hope there's some inspiration there for you, and I hope to see you very soon. Take care.